Hi guys, April here from Lilac Peaches Handmade. Today I'm sharing this mini banner, and if you're like me, I sometimes worry about whether I'm placing my letters evenly. So to solve this, I scored my lettering into the top pennant layer so that way I can easily and evenly glue my individual letters onto each pennant. I've always preferred to hand punch my banners myself as I find it quicker than having my cutting machine do it for me. "12 by 12 cardstock's glitter luxe line is so beautiful, sparkly, and cuts like serious butter. I cut mine with poster board plus setting and never have any hiccups or snags." It might be kind of difficult to clearly see in the video, but I used the attach function on Cricut Design Space to attach my score line to the white pennant. This project is available as a free project in my Design Space profile so long as you're a Cricut Access member. The score lines have already been added for ease. Once you finish adhering all your letters, you're ready to start stringing your banner. Quick tip is if the ribbon you're using is thin enough to fit in a large needle, add a bit of hot glue or tie it so that it doesn't move as you're stringing your banner together. Lastly, hang it up and enjoy!